Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the final day of this week's stream. It's Friday, baby. Let's freaking go. Hopefully we end the week strong. Yesterday was a little bit slow. It had some action. I'll say that. It wasn't slow. The action was just not as clean as days prior. So, hopefully Friday, perks up a little bit. We get a strong end of the week. Feeling good into the weekend. Great. Let's get some music rolling. I'll check out the chat. Let's start with some bangers. That's Friday. I got to start with the banger. Here we go. What's up, AC? Number one, baby. Discipline. How's it going? Money Friday. Let's make it happen. Simon, good morning. Good morning. Balaz. AC again. Good morning. Gerard. Scott B. Bianca. Gold Miner. Lance. What is up? Let's just take it in. Yes, sir. What's up, Rustin? Good morning. Good Friday morning to you. Actually got up a little early this morning. I didn't just show up at the desk at like 7:58. Maybe just a buzz too loud. How about right? How about right there? Anything running right now? I see we do have a couple 100%ers again. It's always good. It's always good to see. Show up, see 200% gainers in pre-market. Appreciate it, guys. Appreciate it. Thanks for the likes. MRKR, IONM. Both up 100+%. Let's flip on over. Gotta fix that thing every single time I start for some reason. Okay, there we go. So, we have two over 100%. IONM sitting on the 50 on the 5 here. I don't know why that's up. Could just be a crazy runner. Yep, no news. So, another one of those. Yep, gold miner. I got it up right here. IONM. It should go because you're in it. I like your thought process. I like it. And then MRKR is like 75 cents. So I'm a little less enticed by something this cheap. But could get going. Just because being up 100%, I mean, it's only actually 33 cents. So it ran from 33 cents to 95 cents, all from after hours till today. Hey, good morning, Jordan. Hopefully something great. Hopefully we get a good trade on stream. Hopefully have a good walkthrough. Solid morning. No fake outs. Yeah, great job on staff. Gold miner. Staff went, not here. Whoops, over here.
CTIC.
After the bell. Went straight up from almost 350 zone. I don't remember where you had it. I think you had it like somewhere in here, right? But went all the way up to almost $5. So that is great. KSPN potential T2. Yep, it ran from 240 to over 7. Definite T2. Held the zone. It will be short sale restricted today. Needs a whole. I wouldn't want to see it under 450, but look at the zone it held yesterday. That's incredible. After that big of a run. What's PEGY? PEGY? Pineapple Energy. Is that for swingers? Giving off that pineapple energy. PLAG. I haven't heard that one in years. What up with that? Insider buy. Oh, okay, interesting. Common stock acquired 880K at 161. How did that happen? When was this ever 161? All the way back here? You gonna be watching MEGL IPO? I don't know what that is. Magic Empire. Is that like a new Chinese IPO or something? Or is it just an IPO we're gonna watch? Because I'm down for it. IPOs have been going nuts. Broda and the Swing Boy. Of course Broda's been on it. Broda's on everything before it moves. He's got a crystal ball in his basement. Hey, Premarket, good morning. Chinese IPO financial. Okay. The Magic Empire.
NA.
What was I just on? Plag. Yeah, this one, this was...
Vito.
This one used to run. Where was it that I was trading this at? Over here? I thought I had a bigger run than this. I wasn't trading in 2015 though. I mean, I guess 158 to 5 is okay. Maybe it was this week. 2 to 11. I don't know. I feel like that ran harder than what I'm seeing. Hey, Snacks, good morning. Chris, good morning. Welcome in. It is Friday. We are here. Are these true wicks, or is this like those algo taps that I'm seeing here? Peggy. Yeah, KSPN will definitely be in play today. I just hope they don't run it at like 8:37:59 and we miss out.
BLDP.
Because I would not like that at all. After open, please.
CGC. PGY.
Ooh, CGC down 8% today. Bitcoin's on a freaking tear this morning.
SPC. NNBC.
So I about blew up my MEXC account last night. I was just screwing around. I was trying to short Bitcoin. Thought for sure it was gonna fall, and it did not fall. But I didn't blow it up. And then I ended up flipping to long, and now I'm up 365% on this position. So I'm back up to like 14 bucks in the account. I got down to like $5. So that margin can be dangerous. If you're wrong more than, 2 times in a row on that heavy a margin, you're screwed. So you just gotta be careful if you're playing with heavy margin. And you don't have to play with heavy margin. I'm literally just screwballing around with 20 bucks. So. But yeah, it's up. Let me see if I can pull it up here. logged in.
TPC. ILAG.
Why is this not in dark mode?
AEG.
It's hurting my eyes and I can't get it off. Settings. Where's dark mode at? Yeah, I had that 22.5. I thought for sure that was going to be the load zone. And when it dropped to 22.420 or something, I was like, okay, this for sure is going to happen. And it didn't. Okay, sorry, I missed the question. Hello, Brad. I have a question. Lately, a lot of plays have been halting up. I had a position the other day in a low floater. I saw a big bid, so I just used it to get out, and then I halted up. So with the halts,
MRKR.
hold on. I'll show you first-hand example here. Do you have level 2? Can you see like the change in level 2, or are you just looking at like level 1? And by level 1, I just mean you're seeing a bid and an ask.
Are you a filmmaker or a content creator and looking for high quality music and
Get an ad on my own account.
What's up, guys?
MBST.
Welcome back to another video.
So let me go to when HSDT was halting. Here we go.
14 to 15.
Okay, look at this bid right here.
That push up through 220.
It hasn't happened yet.
100K bidder here.
Okay, you see this bid keeps increasing, but nothing's happening, and it just keeps getting bigger and bigger and bigger and spinning. That's when it's halting. See how it's just bigger and bigger, nothing's crashing it, no trades are going through. It keeps getting bigger, and then once the matrix changes and goes light or goes dark, that's when it halts. You have level 2 on trade 0, okay. So when you see the order, not just one stack come in, but when you see the orders piling up, and I call it spinning.
We are halting up. HSD.
And I knew it immediately. You can hear it in the video. Let me go back. So it gets through here. Somebody puts in an actual 100K bid here. But as soon as 214 gets eaten, watch it one more time.
100K bidder here. 100K bidder's walking up.
There's 20, 30. See, it's not going. The price isn't moving, and the price just keeps increasing on the bid. That's when it's halting.
Literally bottom tick this thing. Let's freaking go.
COCP.
So I don't know if that helps. That should help. When you see not just a big order come in, but the price isn't moving, and the orders just keep increasing and increasing and increasing. That's when it's about to halt.
Let's freaking go.
And that'll only happen after a big move. So you're not going to get that happen just randomly. That's after like it's 10% usually in a 1 minute candle, but also it can be an imbalance. So like the bid side is way bigger than the ask side. But that's what it looks like. Instead of just a big coming in like one stack, it is just an order comes in. The price does not move after. There's no trades up or down. And it just keeps getting bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Now, sometimes they'll stop the halt. It happens sometimes. But most of the time on a move like that, it is, it's going to break. And then it's going to halt. Why am I struggling so much? Oh yeah, here we go. So this is my Bitcoin position, and I'll show you guys where I was trying to trade it yesterday. So I had it 22,520 or something right here. And I was like, okay, this thing, I've been waiting on 22.5. It's gonna bounce from here. We just made a higher low, barely, but we made a higher low. And then this candle comes down all the way to like 22.4. And I was like, okay, we're about to leg down again. We're going to bear flag our way down. Another leg. And it hammers up. So I stop out here. And it hammers up. And I'm like, okay, I got a short again right here. It's going to go down. No way. And I stopped out, I think, right here and just ended up flipping long. And I have... I'm up 356%, but my price is 22.6, and now it's up to 23, almost 4. Can we have a halt video? Yeah, it's gonna be hard to make a halt video unless I use an example like I just had on that video. It's possible, yeah. Like when things halt and why they do. The different types of halts. Because there is different types of halts. There's T1 halts, which is news. There's T12 halts, which is really bad. That's like the SEC stepping in and stopping. You know, they're stopping the trading. They did that with BBIG yesterday, I think, T12. And that can be halted for months. They're waiting for information from them. Yeah, BBID T12 yesterday. That's ugly. That's not what you want. That's worst case scenario. Because that could be halted. I've seen them halted for months on a T12. And then T1 is like news pending. And then depends on the exchange, but LUDP or code M, or I think there's one more that is a volatility halt. So yeah, Bitcoin's looking somewhat decent now. Push up towards maybe 24. I'm just gonna keep moving my stop up on this position, I guess.
CGC.
It's weird seeing anything up 350% in my position. If I'd have just nailed the bottom the first time and wouldn't have stopped out on that wiki action that was getting ready to break down, man, I'd be up a ton in this account. Yeah, BBIG, that was bad. Pineapple Energy is pushing higher. What up with KZIA? It's getting crazy volume. I don't have any news on it. Wait. There's a 6K this morning.
VOD.
Why would they put this in a 6K? Reports promising interim data. Why would they put that in a 6K? I'm not looking through every single 6 and 8K that comes out. Because that's usually just a rehash of a PR from days ago, or like some board member decided to retire. Like, I don't care. Put it in a freaking headline. I turned off 6Ks because I don't want to see them. It's a waste of my time looking at them. And then you get this one that squeaks through that you missed. I thought for sure this was going to be a Benzinga exclusive whenever I saw it. They put it in a freaking 6K, huh? Okay, cool. Didn't this recently move? No. No, it's like super sold off. It's got a gap to fill on the daily.
NNBC.
2, 3. Peggy pushing. What's up with Peggy? No news. Cool. Cool. Yeah, they put the PR later. Yeah. And then everybody buys in like, oh, we're just going to wait for the PR to hit, you know, just wait for the PR to hit. And the PR to hit, or the PR hits, and it's like a sell the news event because everybody's waiting for it. Everybody's already in. If you or I know about news, and maybe not us because we're a little more experienced, but if the general public knows about the news, then it's already out. Like, it's not going to be this huge thing come out and like, oh my God, this PR just dropped. If you and I and retail and just the general pop knows about the news, then it's known. I hate when I see that. Waiting on a PR.
PEGY. Comes.
We'll see what it does.
KZIA.
Quick little scalpy poo here. If I even get a couple cents out of it. It's gonna be one of those days, isn't it? I gotta sell for 3 cents. Come on. All right. Sold for 3 cents. Not gonna screw around and let it go away. If we get in those days, that's fine. And yesterday, I was red yesterday, and I could have gotten green, but I had the mentality the past 2 days, so everything was breaking out, a lot of follow through, and I was up a little bit, and I probably could have nickel and dime my way back to green, but I was holding things, went up a little bit, and then gave it all back. Ended up fading right back off. I'd be up 5-10 cents, trying to hold for breakouts, which were happening the rest of the week. And then yesterday, they were just non-existent. You get a couple cents, you get a fake out, you get wiki nonsense, you fail the levels, like no man's land levels. It was crazy. Yep, so that was best case scenario, 3 cents there. So I took it, and there we go. Gotta love it. I'm cool with it. I'll take $77 in the span of, what, 30 seconds at most that I held up. AHPI keeps hitting. I don't know why. Is there a monkeypox mask mandate coming out or something?
AG.
They close the spread a little bit on this. It might have a chance. Rosemary Fu, I completely missed your sub. Thanks for the sub. I appreciate it. It was 25 minutes ago.
SKYH.
My bad.
SOS. PLAG.
Welcome in. Thanks for the likes, guys. Thanks for the comments. Thanks for hanging out.
GRNA.
We got about 1 minute to the 8:30 news. Maybe something 8:30 will pop, bring us something fresh. Because it's a little stagnant right now. There's some action and way better than last week. But a little stagnant at this moment. KZIA with its little 6K. Now, if nothing comes out at 8:30, then something that's already up is more than likely going to catch. Whether it be KZIA, IONM, pushing back up, KSPN, they just randomly push it through on a T2 at 8:37, like I said. Let's see, just
AXL.
about 10 more seconds. How you guys doing this morning? You taking any trades yet?
SELB. LYG.
EBON, new EBONX
TNF.
crypto link payment cards powered by MasterCard. CRTD acquires majority stake in stock trading app Orbit.
MRKR.
I don't know if that's significant or not. Or social trading app Orbit. Spy Knife, is there some data coming out?
CRTD. XL. CNHI.
How big of a knife? We're talking like
FNCU.
crazy? Oh, we're talking crazy. What happened? Biden fell off his tricycle again, didn't he? What happened? Oh, payrolls. Was that what it was? Non-farm payrolls? Yeah, change in non-farm payrolls. 528K versus 250K expected. Somebody that cares about SPY,
PRTY. LPRO.
let me know what's going on.
KZIA. SPC.
That number's horrible. What does that mean exactly? Why is a higher number bad for non-farm payrolls? Unemployment rate 3.5, estimated 3.6. Unemployment's lower than expected. SPY was due a pullback day though. See, that's such a weird number to me. You know, like we need people to lose jobs to bring inflation down. That's just some, I mean, it makes sense in the broad scheme of things, but the fact that people have jobs is great. Really doesn't make a whole lot of sense to me.
FBRX.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, that's true, yes, but it's a weird way to look at things, you know?
CD.
Like, we want people to lose jobs so that inflation goes down. That's just me, though. That's just, I'm, I guess, somewhat illiterate when it comes to SPY and macroeconomic BS, but, okay. People have jobs. Boo, let's go down. I get it though. I mean,
GTXU. LABU.
to kill one thing, you have to kill the other. You know, they can't both stay alive. Oh, that knife Bitcoin too. That stopped me out. So I stopped out 23.2 from 26. No, from 22.6. Yeah, such a weird like premise. We want people to lose their jobs so we can bring inflation down.
TBLTW.
It was still a pullback day. That's cool. Pull back to 4.7, 4.6. Absolutely.
HSTO.
I don't have a single problem with that. Now everybody on Twitter is gonna be like, I told you guys, we're gonna fall back off. And they've been saying it since 380. We're gonna crash. And they went up to 415. Yeah, we're crashing to 411. Let's go. All right, back to not ever having to look at SPY ever again. Don't you say that, Bianca. Don't you say that. What was the T2 ticker that I can't remember already? Thought it was KSPM, but it's not. AC said it.
Read. PEGY.
IONM falling down. Peggy loves some SPY news. It is KSPM? Oh, I'm looking at the 1 minute. That's what it is. I was looking at the 1 minute. Sorry. Looking at the 1 minute. Maybe. Oh, here comes the fury of bad news now. China sanctions Pelosi and fury over Taiwan visit. So I expect, more and more like little pieces of bad news to stack together now, because that's how it works. Like, it's good news altogether, bad news altogether. End of the world, and then pure reversal.
FNGU.
That's the news cycle.
MTTR.
And they say it right after another. They wait and hold them all till they can say them all at once.
WEBL. IONM.
Hey, JD, what's up? Good morning. You haven't really missed anything. Americans have jobs, and SPY doesn't like it. That's what I'm getting out of this morning. Americans have jobs, and SPY said we don't like it.
PNTM. TMF.
Yeah, hopefully it doesn't matter what SPY's doing, like it should. Who cares what SPY's doing? Who cares? Yeah, yesterday there were gainers, but there was no action behind the gainers, which made it a tough day.
CTIC.
Buy, hold, and hope day. Yeah, IPOs have been hot. That's been part of the runners. That's what HKD, is that what it's called? HKD was. E-bond, yeah, I read that news. HSDT offering. HSDT offering. That's the one we played the other day.
GDXU.
At 75 cents. Oh, man. So 60 cents to 275, and then now it's back down to 60. Yeah, I remember trading Hour. Hour was running with some other stuff. I remember this run right here. KZIA pretty much back down to where it started.
SLDP.
QNRX down to $10. Under $10? Oh my gosh.
RKR. CD. MQ.
Didn't offer. Or you mean off news? Oh, I missed that part. KSPN run off news. I don't think anything this week's ran off news besides APDN.
Tile.
Yeah, Ebon got a little pop. It's a crypto one though, and I think yeah, Bitcoin's
SILJ.
going straight down right now because of the market.
KZIA.
Yeah,
RKT.
QNRX, man, down 30% today.
VS.
And today would have been the T2 follow through day.
PHGU. IONM. TLRY. SLRX.
Not interested in that.
JMIA.
Who knows if it'll go down to 22.5 again though.
KZIA. WWR.
There's the KZIA PR.
FNGU.
It was so cheap, they're just slapping it back up again. Just taking advantage of the algos, I guess. That's funny. So it's the opposite of normal. They sold it off before the PR came out, and then the PR came out and it's ripping. That's funny.
Sophie. Bot.
Yeah, MTC hold the day too. Yeah. Yeah, it was acting like trash yesterday, dude. Pure garb.
LCFY.
I'm watching KZIA right here. I just hit a little 220 because it's getting some action. It's not really selling off, so I'm just gonna play a quick little scalp on it, I guess. Sell for even or just a little bit less, just in case it does fall down. I mean, I got like 3,000 shares, so nothing crazy. Just in case, because usually when you see those 8Ks come out or those unknown news come out, you'll see them like trade up here and people are waiting like, oh, just wait to the PR, just like we were talking about earlier. But it actually faded off until the PR. So now it's getting some good action. Let's go. So 250 res. Probably take 1,000 off up there. If I can, if they don't smash all the bids first. We're up through VWAP though. Maybe I gotta do some possession in this. Maybe I just let it chill.
HSTO.
Nothing else is running.
AG.
Yeah, nothing else is running. Let me just chill in this.
GRNQ.
Of course, I'll sell, like, if it gets under 230, I don't want to sell for a loss. But let's see, to get back to 2,500, I could sell 894. So maybe sell that at 250.
CTIC.
Yeah, it's got the gap and it's got the PR now. A little bit of algo action on it. I hate to, this is like what I did yesterday too. Up decent amount here and then let it fade all the way back. So I don't want to do that, but it's the only thing in play. It's getting volume. It's got news. It's got a gap. So it's got the recipe.
IONN.
See what happens.
FSR.
After the PR, it spiked to 233 and came back down to 219. I took 220 right here.
New.
Okay then. Process of elimination, guys. When there's nothing else to run, the runner, the volume, will push. So it was literally process of elimination here. Look at this. I almost got the bottom. So like I was saying, JD, is that usually when you get these 6Ks that come out and it doesn't look like a PR, people will think like, oh, then the PR is going to come out. I'm going to keep loading. And this didn't happen. It actually faded back off.
CGC.
So when it spiked here and the bids were still coming in around 215, 220, I just hit like 3K on 220. So I got 2,500 left now. I scaled my 894.
LPRO, PTON, PSTX, tops.
It's literally the only thing though, like in play right this second. So let's route it to,
Eno.
what's the gap fill again?
Check.
3? 312? Be nice to get that. Hey, appreciate it. Thanks, Steven.
KGC, KZIHI, JDST.
No, I bought a bottom dip.
WBL,
Yeah, I bought a bottom dip down here.
TLRY.
Okay, we're up to 275.
BFF. GDXU.
Okay, I'm down to 2,000 now. You got it over here.
TCH.
Yeah, I was surprised at the volume that came in when the PR came out. Sometimes that doesn't happen. But I guess it was, people were thinking too hard about it. It was like reverse psychology. Just give me a quick candle up to 3. I'll get out.
TMF. FSLY. SBSW.
Here we go. See, it's getting good volume.
HIBS. SLDP.
So pre-market high 285.
NKLA. RKT. SPCE.
Yeah, I'm gonna scale if we break below this 10K. I'll scale half.
CUK. PEGY. PEGY.
Bitcoin's still falling.
PEGY.
So is the market.
GGY.
Yeah, this is it. Remember I traded over here. I made 75 bucks on it. $77 or something. Maybe it'll be my only trade of the day. We'll see.
KPDN.
Especially if it breaks to 3. There we go. 285. Don't double top. Okay, there we go. 290, took 1,000 off right there. 293.
RYW.
Coming up on 3 right now. I'm gonna take a little more off. I got 500 left.
Joby.
So 220 to 3 so far. Okay, we're up through 3. That's right at the gap fill. I'm taking it out. It had 310 gap fill. It can keep going if it wants. I made 2,300 bucks on it.
MBTA.
I was playing my play. Played from the bottom literally to the gap fill. I can do whatever it wants now. Let's freaking go.
KZIA.
Might just blow right through. Maybe I should have held 500.
Hood. KZIA. QS.
Yeah, it may go up to this part of the gap fill. I thought it was just going to go to the bottom right here, but it may go to the candle from before. Yeah, that's a good one. Thank you. Appreciate it.
MQ. SILJ.
Feels nice to have a 5-figure week after just struggling for months and months and months and months. But that was the play. But honestly, it depends on how people are looking at the gap fill. Are you looking at the gap fill from the last candle it had? That would be 350, 360. But I was just kind of looking at this level right here, 315.
AGI. PHGEU.
That was smooth. Yeah, that made it for yesterday. Yep. That was real smooth. That had all the factors there. The Friday process of elimination, had news, had bids, gap fill. What's up, Afon? Good morning.
GFI. ABEO.
Hey, I appreciate it. That was a good one. That was a solid one. On that note, I'm going to take a quick break, go see the baby, say good morning, and I'll be back in like 2-3 minutes, maybe 4 or 5. I'll be back before the 9 a.m. news, though.
HUYA. Snap. KZIA. HL. FTCH. TLRY. LABU. HUT. FSR. KZIA. 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 WEBL. TMBR. JDST. IQ. Yell, GOVX. PDSB. New. MOBQ. Rev. GCI. NNDM. PLTR. AUY. DM. Game. PLAG. LAZR. ILAG. SLE. KZIA. SXTC. CTIC. WKHS. TMF. DNMR. JMIA. PHGEU. HL. PAGS. GFI.
All right.
GDXU.
Look at this. Okay. You had to code for 2 weeks, man. That sucks. Glad you're getting back to it. Is there any rule with companies releasing PRs around earnings? Not that I know of. Usually, if there's a good PR before the ER, though, it's gonna be bad ER, from what I've seen, at least in small caps.
AREC. TSP.
So 9 a.m. news in about 2 minutes.
FTCH ESFE.
This thing's still holding up. Went a little bit higher than I thought it would, but
HMY.
pretty much right to the point I was looking at. It's perfect. Just walk off into the sunset on KZIA. No reason to take it again.
ALDX.
Market down to under 410. You added 465 on IOM, risking under 450. Okay, that's pretty good risk reward. 450 is the bottom, like absolute bottom, or it's dead. So You could get 5 at least, I think. If it gets a little spike, a little volume.
JDST.
See what comes out at 9. Usually at 9 on a Friday, nothing comes out, but we'll see. Yeah, it was way thinner. Now it's heavier. Very weird.
GOVX.
Very strange indeed.
INSG.
So we're just waiting for the 9 a.m. news to come out. It's coming out pretty much right now.
PSLV. SLVO.
No, nothing really.
ET.
MLBQ hitting now. I don't know why. The PR came out at 8:55 while I was gone.
MRKR.
So MOBQ Hive Day.
OCX. VLD. MLBQ. HIBS.
May get some Wordle in. Slowing down a little bit, passing time. See what's up with it. Let's get some Wordle.
Kind.
Okay. Okay. No AEIO. I hate when it does this to me, man.
HUYA. Cron.
You're probably going to get this way before me, so I can't even look up there for Nurky. You're going to have it before I can even begin to form a word.
SWN.
Is that a word? I could get a lot of letters out of that. No.
KZIA.
Cust.
CTIC. FSM. Eno.
It's not. Oh, okay, that's a word, I guess. So I got a lot of letters out of the way. What is this word already? LU.
GDXU.
This is gonna be some dumb word. I can already feel it. I only got one letter. That's insane. Lol. Lucky. Is that a word? I found out from this game, especially when it changed to New York Times, there's a lot of words that I do not know. And I just keep trying random stuff now. Oh, that's...
CPS.
I'm gonna burn one. Oh my god. I'm lost. I've used up like every common letter, and I've only got one. Haven't tried Y yet.
TMF. POWW.
Buffy, the Vampire Slayer. No. Is it? No, it's not Bunny. Buggy? Is it Buggy? At the bell. Oh my god, these freaking words.
GOVX.
U's and Y's.
KGC.
And a double G. Okay then.
CETX. DNMR. DDL.
Okay then. Interesting.
WKHS. MOBQBQ.
I don't think I'm going to take another trade until open. I literally bottom tick to top tick KZIA. Yeah, you got a great entry on IONM. Good job. You got some higher lows going in. Higher lows, higher highs. Yeah, KZIA was very smooth. It went almost right to the gap fill. I sold like 305, but it pushed through parabolic to 328. That was it.
SLVO.
I'll take it though. Hello, Callum. Good day, mate.
PSLV.
Or is that
UEC.
Australian? It's good day, mate. Yeah, good day, mate's definitely Australian.
SVRE.
Sorry. Hey, Scott. What's up? Good morning. What would you guys say in passing, Callum?
EXPI.
I know you guys don't just say sup.
MOBQ.
Besides, like, wanker. You don't talk? Okay, cool. Cool. You just don't say a word. Nice.
WBD.
How you doing?
KZIA.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know why good day popped in my head. It was very wrong. Blow each other kisses.
ASTS.
Genuinely nod of approval. Yep. I feel it. I like it.
Head. Fro.
I feel like we say, hey, how's it going? That's the better version of sup. Hey, how's it going? I say, hey, how's it going a lot, I think. Yeah, MLBQ through 260s is what it needs. All right, that's a little bit too much dub step for me.
PHGEU. GDXU.
MOBQ had news, Bianca. 12-month global contract with Grove Token following a $25 million commitment from GEM Digital for market-defined green cryptocurrency. So there you go.
NTCO.
30-second chart. Just because the sales, these sell. It is 2022 though. It made us be trap candles.
NA.
They look at trash. I'm gonna roll out. I'll be back later in Discord. All right. See you, Cal. See you, buddy. I was too lazy to gel my hair this morning. Now it's just like up in my face. Just wear it like this for the rest of the day.
LTRYW.
Yeah, Monday to Wednesday was good.
BTG.
Monday I kind of botched. I got red. What's my other
Yeah.
beverage? I've just got Powerade right now. I will bring out the Dr. Pepper soon though. Just curl them down, curl the bangs down. Yeah, for real.
GFI. Sand.
Just curl them.
DBRG.
And you can't even tell that this is here when I wear it normally because I go like up and back with it. Yeah, Monday to Wednesday was good, but like I was saying, Monday I botched. I went red and just barely got back green and rolled out.
DNA.
Tuesday was my best day of the week. And then Wednesday was almost as good as Tuesday. And then yesterday I lost a little bit.
NKLA.
Oh my God.
PLTR.
I'm about due for a Dr. Pepper though, Callum.
CTIC.
WETG, monkeypox, something. Oh, it's $30. What in the hell is this?
JDST.
This went from 18 to 30. Yeah, Money Thursday has been broken. Money Thursday is now the worst day of the week, unfortunately. I don't know what this is. I have no idea. All right, I'm going to go get a Dr. Pepper. I'll be right back.
MRKR. DNMR. RKT.
WETG China e-commerce. Okay, cool. Cool.
PSLV.
Here's a little ASMR for you guys.
KZIA.
My gosh, my hair.
Kritia.
I need a haircut.
PHGE. BBBY.
That solar though, it's going up too. Do I watch ASMR? I've scrolled through TikTok and seen some of the ASMRs. Some of them are good. Some of them like almost raise the hair up on my arm. But a lot of them are very strange. Especially the ones on TikTok that I just see like scrolling through. Like, yeah, get me off this page.
TPVG. TSP. FNGU. SBSW.
So Bitcoin continuing to fall. It may get back down to this trend from before. So maybe look for buys around 22.7.
DDL.
22.7.
PAGS.
Yeah, around the 2027 area. Depends on if SPY like falls off a cliff, but Bitcoin likes to follow SPY now. Everything's just SPY. Everything. Coke, definitely over Pepsi. I don't know a soul that likes Pepsi. Pepsi is terrible. And McDonald's. I don't know. I don't like the flavor of the Burger King burgers. But honestly, I'm like a chicken sandwich guy. So I go to McDonald's and I'll get like a chicken sandwich. That's why I just stick with Chick-fil-A. Yeah, Ethereum may come down to like 1650 or something. Yeah, it would have been great short. I should have, when my stop loss executed, just flipped.
TMF. S-Day.
Yeah, I mean, we could even pull back to 400 for all I care. It's due a good pullback. We went straight up from the channel break. Consolidate a little bit. Come down maybe to here. 406. 400. Who cares?
BULZ. WBD.
Burger King may have better deals, yeah. We don't have a Burger King in my town, though. We got a McDonald's. We do have a Burger King, though, in Leesburg.
PSFE.
All right, let me ask you guys this. And it's going to be very split. And either you hate it or you like it. Do you like Arby's? And I am personally going to say I do like Arby's. I like Arby's roast beef.
INSG.
Some people are like, oh my God, that's the most disgusting thing I've ever heard. And then other people are like,
CPS.
wait, just give it a try. And they got a lot of stuff. They got a ton of different things there. I wouldn't say I love it, but I like Arby's. Their fries are good. Yeah, the curly fries. Yeah, absolutely. The curly fries are fantastic. And I like the Arby's sauce. It's like a sweet barbecue. I don't know.
CYBN.
Maybe I'm an uncultured swine, but I like Arby's.
AEHR.
Yeah, the curly fries are good. We used to have, we had one where I grew up. You had to drive like 30 plus minutes to it, though. We had to drive 30 plus minutes to anything. But that was like the thing. I would get like the Arby's melt, the one with cheese on it.
PTON.
But now they have like gyros. They have like all kinds of stuff.
TNTW.
So you like Arby's a lot, huh? Along with Chick-fil-A. I don't know about that, but I like it. I like it. It's good. Some people hate it. Like my wife, she hates it.
EXK.
You like horse? Yeah, I don't know. I've never been a huge fan of horseradish. I like the place with good deals. Yeah, I hear that. I hear that. Taco Bell. I like Taco Bell. Sometimes it really hurts my stomach, but Chart Hut? No. What's that? Sounds like something stock market related.
MDIA.
Char Hut? No, I haven't. I've had Pizza Hut.
AHPI.
Pizza Hut wings are some of my like top tier favorite wings. And maybe just because that's like the wings I grew up on, so that's what I'm used to. But the buffalo medium and the burning hot sauce at Pizza Hut is unmatched to me at least. They're super saucy. I don't like my wings dry. I want them to be like covered in sauce, but super saucy.
Yeah.
Love them. I don't know why. I just love Pizza Hut wings.
Scene.
Racks. I don't remember Racks. We didn't have that. Costco pizza is great, JD. Costco pizza is great. I like my pizza a little thinner, though. It's a little bit thicker pizza, but it's good. And they're freaking massive. I always have to get a hot dog, though. Even if I'm not hungry, I'll get a hot dog there. Because it's like, what, $1.50 for a hot dog and a drink? But sadly, they have Pepsi products. So I have to get like lemonade every time I go there. I do not like Pepsi.
Nile.
Yeah, I like crunchy pizza too. Not like like cracker crust, but I like New York style crust. Neapolitan's good, but it's softer crust. I like a New York, like crispy crust. 18-inch pizza for $10. Oh my gosh. You talking about Costco's? Yeah, Costco's cheap, man. Yeah, I could talk about food all day. And this is just like, you know, lower tier, like fast food stuff.
LAZR, JDST.
I love seafood too. Love it. Like crab, lobster, shrimp,
QNRX.
scallops. That's probably my favorite type of food is seafood. Even going to like Red Lobster and getting the endless shrimp, the little garlic butter, the ones that come out in like a 9,000 degree garlic butter container, and you're sticking your fingers in there and it's like burning your hands off, but it's so delicious. Absolutely. My last meal, it would have to be like either king crab or lobster with maybe probably a good steak. Let me think. Probably a bone-in ribeye.
GRNA.
Bone-in ribeye with like king crab, maybe some shrimp on the side, or lobster, both, you know. Get the garlic butter. I'm hungry now. Yeah, sounds fantastic. There's this place like a more higher scale. I'm sorry, I'm not even looking at stars right now. A higher scale place called DC Prime here, and I always get the surf and turf with the king crab. Oh my gosh. Yeah, ribeye's the best. Bone-in ribeye, best flavor out there. I haven't got a tomahawk just because I always like to get surf and turf, and there's no way I could eat a tomahawk and like lobster or crab. So I just get like a bone-in ribeye. So good. Get some Bernaise to dip it in, or border lace. Ribeye roast on holidays. I freaking love prime rib. We do a prime rib every Thanksgiving with the turkey. Oh, buddy. Get some au jus on top of it. That's it. That is it. That's all you need in your life. Just some prime rib. Screw the turkey. Turkey by itself is terrible. You can cook it the best way possible and make it juicy. Turkey sucks. You got to put gravy on it or like dip it in your mashed potatoes or something, but prime rib, that's where it's at.
PLTR.
Yeah, great job. You got VWAP. This is first target here. Great job. Good entry there. 565 or 465, wrist 445. Perfect. French dip. Oh my God, French dip sandwich. You're killing me. Oh, this sounds fantastic. Anything with a jus is just out of this world. Give me a French dip sandwich. I may order a French dip sandwich for lunch now. There's a place around here that delivers Uber Eats. Sadly, they're not on DoorDash, but that is a fantastic French dip sandwich. Yeah, that's perfect. Great. You nailed that play. And that was the bottom. We talked about it. As soon as you said that, I mean, I went and looked. 450 was the bottom. Look at this relative volume. Go back to the volume lesson I did. Nothing. Insane relative volume. And then I got it all the way from 470 to 550.
OILD.
Shoot, I'm really hungry now. I'm going to eat lunch at like freaking 11 a.m. now. I'm so hungry. This was a good week, though. I think I deserve a French dip sandwich from the Uber Eats place. I think so.
CTIC.
Yeah, I think so. I think I do. I think I earned it.
You. GFI.
Last week and the weeks prior, not so much. But this week, good week. Things turned around nicely. Got about 5 minutes to the bell.
MLBQ.
I'm gonna go feed the dogs real quick though. I'll be back in like 2 or 3 minutes.
MLBQ. 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 LABU. PTON. STNP FWAD FRSX NDRA Solo DDL JDST MRAI Nile EPV UONE.
Well, never mind. I forgot to thaw the food last night for the dogs. We get the farmer's dog food, which you have to keep frozen until like you're on the pack that they're currently eating. And I used the pack we were on last night and forgot to thaw the rest of it. So it's one big ice cube right now. So I guess they'll be eating later. Okay, too much dubstep.
WWR
Yeah, WETG had that monkeypox news.
TSP IQ
It's insane. It's had, let me go over here.
WKHN
5,800 volume, up 90%. This could be
APDN
something today. And I don't think we're going to even be able to trade it without market buying. But this could run to like 50 bucks or more. It's already at 40. Look, I mean,
RKR,
where the hell's the next bid? Or let me, hold on.
DNA
I'm going to change this to $1
AUY.
increments. The next ask is at 44.
TWOU GPRO
Okay, I mean, what do you buy? 100 of this and just hope for $100? Like what? QNRX offering QNRX.
SVFD MLBQ MVIS
Yeah, this is interesting. Yeah, SOPA pushing.
MDIA
Ugly at QNRX to drop an offering 2 minutes before open. That's nasty. That's nasty. Yep, they are, but they're going to take advantage of their runs and offer for sure. But everyone that offers is bringing in a little bit more fear.
KZIA.
Yeah, look at this level 2. Last trade was 44, and now it's 50. Should have slapped 100 shares at like 42 or whatever that ask was. I'd already be up $700 here. Man. What is this at? Like 8K volume now? It's only 7,500 volume. It's up 173%. It's insane. Be very careful with this, guys. Very, very careful.
LABU, CUK, GWAV.
All right, we got about 15 seconds to the bell. Let me flip over to my intraday scanners. We'll be watching this one.
JWAV, IONLX, PBYI, IONM, ATHR, AHPI, CHMI, KZIA, HPI, CPS, KZLMT, CPS, BOT.
KSPN popped 20 cents to where I couldn't even buy it. I was hoping it would set for just a second, but literally straight up.
TPIC, LYMT, ONVO, UMGWH, SRTS.
Is this thing halting down already?
EKSO.
Literally can't even tell. No, they bought it up.
FTCI, TMC,
Or did they?
TIRX,
I literally can't even tell if it's halted or not because of the way the level 2 is.
MRKR, CLMT, EKSO, CPS, KSCP. SG.
Bruh, did it halt or not? No, it didn't.
DFH, BLDP,
Scanner's going nuts.
IXHL, BWEN, ALHC,
KSPN up to 535, so it's another one that you just had to buy and open and hold and hope. Because there was no shot to even get it.
Trib, BBDY,
That sucks. Sorry, guys.
MRKR, INTT,
Oh my gosh. It's halting up. Straight up, no entries at all. Not interested in that. I hate when that happens. That's stupid.
SELB,
That is dumb. Congrats to whoever held it through, but there was no entries out the gate. Went straight to 530, went straight to 570, halted.
ATCO, SBLK, SLRX, MKFG,
Oh my gosh, the scanner's going nuts.
Rail, EQ, GT, GEVO, TUB,
Bad Bath & Beyond going nuts again.
BBBY, MOFCO, PEGY, MRIN, CMPO, MRKR,
Did somebody pump KSPN right off the gate? I really don't like that. Though it did not give any entries at all. Is this thing halted now or not?
ELMT,
Bad Bath & Beyond through 7.
AFCG, SELB, CCCS, BAPO, SYBX, MG, PTLO, ONTX, EVFM, PHG.
My gosh, I'm trying to figure out
FDUS,
what the hell they even look at. Scanner's going crazy. Did it finally halt? What's PEGY even up on again? The pineapple one?
PEGY. ONBO.
Pulled it up. I had it up down there. And it looked like it was getting bought up, but I don't know why this is up.
WAY.
And it's something energy related. Unless it's solar, it makes no sense to be up. Guess it could be clean energy.
TMC. ONBO.
Yeah, APDN just popped.
CPS.
It's solar. Okay, cool, cool. Gotcha.
SELB. MRKR.
Yeah, it's pushing.
CPS.
Is tan still up near highs?
HRTG.
No, tan's selling off. Well,
FNHC.
Child Protective Services.
FSI. Born.
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
KFS. PEGY.
Siga.
PSTV.
Yeah, Siga is pushing. GovX 368, 370.
GT.
I'm so sick of these monkeypox plays, man. You might get an example of a halt right here.
PKOH.
Discipline. It almost did.
DKNG.
No, it didn't yet.
SELB. CKPT. ALINS. SBLK.
I'm just scrolling around looking for something, guys. Don't really see much, just like yesterday.
CLMT. GRVI. MRKR. CHRS.
Siga's still pushing higher.
GRVI. Call. PKOH. TMC. AMWL. DKNG. MIO. PBYI.
See if Siga pushes through high day here. GovX is close.
CLMT. XRTX. VRM.
Siga is trying to. Needs up through 2050.
WMC.
GovX 370.
IMCC. PEGY. VINC, TTCF, NAOV, PBYI.
Yeah, they're just hanging around. The monkey box plays are, at least.
ALPP, FDUS,
Pineapple Energy.
TMC, MRKR, IVR, PKOH, VAPO, FPAY, KZIA, MIRM, AMPS,
Nice job. Good job, Bianca.
PYPD, RDVT, ALINB, AHPI, NGM, AGTC, PEGY, DKNG,
TMC getting a push for some reason.
MRKR, AFCG, ACXP, ALR, KCGI Plus, AMPS Plus, ONBO,
Yeah, freaking Peggy, just straight up, huh?
BPTH, ATCO, ISDR, WMC,
Yeah, I'm not interested in taking this at all. I don't like the setup. I don't like what it's doing.
WMC, ONBO, HLGN Plus, AHPI, KSTR, MRKR, PRFX, OCGN, KFS, LS,
Sega pushing highs here, 2040, 2045.
BFIN, MOBQ,
GovX is not wanting to go at all right now. I'm watching it. GovX like 350 here, especially if Sega can push through highs. Sega 2060.
ALINA, MRKR, CRXT, VXRT, CMBM, KCGI Plus, ATCO, TTMI,
Here we go, 3060 break.
IMANG,
2070 now. Sega's going. I got GovX 353. Trying to watch both at the same time. 2080.
HLGN Plus, LGFB, KSPN,
2085. It's ripping.
VTNR, Call, TRVG, MRKR,
As long as GovX doesn't disconnect from Sega again. That's what it did yesterday. As soon as Sega started pulling back, GovX started ripping and it screwed me.
XLO, XLO,
Could be what it's doing right now. GovX or Sega straight up and GovX not doing a damn thing.
PEGY,
Needs back up through 360 here.
Road.
Come on. There it is, 362 now.
WMC. PLYA. MRK.
Sega's trying to do Hive Day again. Govex just does not want to break through here. 363. I want to see a quick skip to like 370s.
PHGEU.
I got out. I wasn't just going to hold it and hope. What did KSP ended up doing? Straight up, straight down, or did it rip? No, it actually opened insanely high. Wow. So, congrats to everybody that was holding that.
CNSP. MRKR.
APDN, maybe watch through 6 here. Sega through 21. GovX 365. APDN got a 50K ask at 6. Through that, it's pretty clear though.
VTOL.
35K on 6, 29, 28, 10K, okay. APDN up through 6. Let's see if it fakes out or if it continues. 605. Intraday high 610 on APDN. Sega 2112 pushing through.
BCLI. WMC.
Nope. APDN fake out. Not dead yet, but it's trying to wick around while Sega's just absolutely exploding.
MRKR. KSPN.
2110, 2115. Wow, Sega throwing it. About to stop out of APDN. Oh, they rated me. It didn't even hit my price. Great. Rated me out. Oh well.
TINV plus.
Sega high. GovX going super slow. APDN going down.
ATNX. TBF.
Look at Sega, man. 2130. Just roasting them right now. 2140.
GRVI. AHPI. PKOH. MRKR.
GovX 367. I chase back into APDN. I'm going to risk a couple cents. It should go here. It's not, but it should. 2150. I don't see why Sega doesn't just blow through 2150 the way it's moving. Okay, APDN pushing now. 610 test. 611. Okay, Sega push, or not Sega, but APDN pushing a little bit now. 615 test. 34K at 620. Over that, it's clean.
Tila.
They're screwing around with it, but it can really squeeze over 6.2, I think. 376, 377 on GovX. So GovX, I could have just been a little bit more patient and been fine. Okay, some bidders coming in APDN now. 615 on the ask. 9K left.
CMPO, XL, EXAI,
Yeah, I don't know what's up with ABTN. It's being very slow right now. When it's been the one that's been going crazy.
CPS, PME, NERV, CPS, shown.
Okay, there it is. 6, 17, 18.
IMNM, AUYE, JRPI,
Over 620 should be good to go.
Pi,
So it is literally just monkeypox right now.
A, ATNX,
APDN's still not breaking loose.
AHPI, ALPP,
Shorts must be attacking pretty hard up here.
OLB, MINM,
40K ask. Yep, they're trying to walk down APDN. Oh well. I took a quick scalp on it.
GRVI,
Not much breakthrough this morning, guys. SIGA, straight up. And then you had the KSPN straight up.
Ever, VRM, BFLY plus,
NVIV, what's up with that?
DKNG, HLGN plus,
Oh, it halted up?
UBO,
Wow.
CMPS, ATNX, SPPI,
90K ask on GovX 372. 35K ask 615 on APDN. Okay, they're all pulling back a little now. Appreciate you guys hanging with me today. Got pretty good viewership for a Friday. Thanks for the likes, comments, hanging out, just being here. Okay, so yeah, GovX should pull back a little bit on this, unless it does what it did yesterday, and it started breaking out whenever SIGA started failing,
HGEU,
which is very possible.
IHT,
10 a.m. reversal. Yeah, maybe. SPY recovered. 412 now.
Airy, MIRM,
Airy. I don't know what that is. Yeah, APDN. Big push down now. GovX the only thing that's not really falling yet.
ATNX, PEGY, GBNH, WMC, PSNYW,
Wow, GovX is trying to push now. Doing the exact same thing as yesterday. Push through when the other two fail. CVNA going, VRM following. Okay, we'll check it out.
PEGY, VLTA plus, KSPN, NCPL,
KSPM was nice. Wish I'd have caught that. It's another one of those, like you just had to buy in pre-market and hope.
PHGEU.
But it worked out.
SVET. AVDL.
That was the chair squeaking, I promise. AVDL, what is that? Straight up.
AMS. FUBO. MNOV. ACXP.
SBET. So Sega trying to hold a 20 on the 1. Yeah, APDN is still holding up. It's just acting very strange today because it's so high.
ABDL. CLN. Shown. KSPN.
GovX may be trying for highs here. 376, 77. Sega curling. GovX 78. Needs to blow through that 380 level.
MRKR. ATNX.
Sega curling back up, so GovX may break out right here. Unless it just really does the opposite and starts falling whenever Sega curls.
HAP. CPS. BCSA. MOBQ. GRVI. BEDU.
Nope, still struggling. Looks like it wants to break through, it's just struggling. There it is, 379.
DKNG.
There it is, 383. Trying to push through now. 384.
MRKR.
They almost didn't send it. It went to 380 and slowed down. Somebody came in and bought it up.
TTI.
Maybe it pushed to 4 now on GovX. You see it right here breaking through, 384.
NVIV. VRM. GOVX. Ronnie Plus. ATNX.
They're trying their best to send GovX. It's struggling still, though.
FDUS.
For every cent it goes up, it just washes back down.
LGFA.
It's not following anything else now, though, so just be careful with it.
ZFOX.
Anything else even in play?
IONM. VRM. KSPN. ALDX.
Besides KSPN, which I entirely missed. Can't believe people would just slap this straight up out the gate. Not let it dip, not let anything happen, just straight up into a halt. It's crazy.
Tila.
CBNA, VRM,
Lots. CPS.
Carvana, okay.
Atom. MOBQ. GNL.
Car lots is like 58 cents too.
EQ.
That's one to watch, kind of in that same sector. Yeah, I miss Bed Bath & Beyond too, and it just keeps going. It just keeps ripping.
PHGEU. Academic. ATNX.
NVIV up. Whoa. After halting up there.
PBYI. EKSO. CBV. CPS. DAT. CPS.
DATS.
UTRS. ACR. FWPS. Rail.
Yeah, there's not a whole lot outside of monkeypox going on right now. Child Protective Service is still trying to go up. $9.15, $9.20. What is CPS? What is that?
XPON. SPI. ELOX. BNTC. CPS. Howell.
It's pushing whatever it is. 9:30.
TTSH. BBAI. CPS.
9:50.
GHRS.
I just degeneratively chased volume on that one. I didn't want to put that on screen. It was such a bad idea.
CRXTW.
I bought it 9 break just because the volume came back in.
Grill. PBYI.
Do as I say, not as I do, right?
KZIA.
I mean, if this could like rip to like $15, it'd be great.
Body.
I don't even know what this is though. Looks like it's about to stop me out. I have no idea what this even is. Your buddy's swinging this?
LYFT.
Your buddy's a rich man then. Up 85%.
AERC. MRKR. AERC. PRFX. AXL. PRFX.
Oh, I thought that was going to break through.
XGN.
Move my stop way up now for profit.
XGN.
Let's pop through 950 here. Don't flush. Don't flush. Don't flush. Okay. It flushed.
CMPO.
Oh well. Averaged up when it should have broke through this little flag, little 3-bar in the 1 minute, and it pulled back. That's fine.
BBBY.
Bed Bath & Beyond. 750.
Ronnie Plus.
Oh, lots. Did you just said that? Literally just said that. Getting hit 58 cents.
LNC, ALINE, BBBY.
Yeah. Oh, Bed Bath & Beyond, your buddy's swinging. Okay, gotcha.
Soul. BBBY. Lots. KZIA. MRKR. BBBY. HSBBY.
Giving this guy one more shot with 1,000 shares.
KZIA. CCNC. Academic.
Looks like first pullback's the end so far. It could still push through. Actually, they just moved
Open.
my hero bid. Okay.
MRKR.
All right. That's it for that. What else we got?
ATNX.
Lots. Got tapped, just barely.
KLNY.
Looks like you're about to give your gains back. Uh-oh. Don't do that.
RWLK. Lots. BMEA. IHT.
Lots up to 60. Trying to break through 60 right now. Yeah, I guess you're right.
News. MLBQ.
Lot 61. Man, I should have just bought it whenever I pulled it up.
FAR.
I said it was right in the sector of the other things that were running, and sure as hell did. All right, it's slowing down, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and hop off so I can
CYXI.
get up, stretch, walk around for a minute, come back to the desk.
CNET. FWP.
Appreciate you guys being here this week. It's been a great week. We finally got some action this week. We got some big runners. HKD, we can all thank HKD for that. Ran from $7 IPO to $2,500 in the span of days. So that's big. Appreciate all the subs from this week. The likes, the comments. I'll try to work on a lesson video this weekend. I don't know exactly what it's going to be. I'll try to pop out something for you guys, something interesting. Maybe I'll do the halt thing. Maybe I'll do a sympathy thing. I'll do something. But thanks for being here, and I'll see you guys back here Monday morning. Peace. Have a great weekend, everyone.